Go.
Alright, Kellen Marlin is 20 weeks old, and this is his first attempt at eating solid food. Here we go. Let's try to eat. Can you try to open up? Open up? Open up? What do you think? What do you think about it? What do you think? Want to try some more? I think you have the hiccups. Should we try some more? Kellen Marlin, open up.
There you go, buddy.
What do you think? I like that smile. I like that smile. Can we try some more? Okay, ready? Good job, buddy. Can you open your mouth again? Open your mouth for food? Good job! That was so good! That was so good! That was so good! Okay, no, not your hand. Come on, let's go back to the spoon. Good job! Is that funny, Boo Boo?